At Advanced Assembly, we know that printed circuit boards, or PCBs, are a critical component of your company's product, and you need the highest quality and precision no matter the application. That's why for nearly 20 years, Advanced Assembly has been dedicated to helping engineers build PCBs as fast as they need them. How? Our culture of communication is designed to prioritize you. We don't just put parts on boards. We ensure that your vital project follows a plan and goes according to plan. As a Summit Interconnect company, we have a direct supply of PCBs from 7 dedicated factories across North America. This helps limit supply chain delays and allows us to quickly deliver your fully assembled boards. Our dedicated team of expert engineers and customer service professionals will never hide behind emails. We'll be involved every step of the way, making sure your custom solution is delivered to specification. If you can design it, we can build it. We specialize in low to mid-volume production, leveraging our scale and technology to benefit you. Due to our size, specialized processes, and nearly limitless flexibility, we can take on more than anyone else in the industry, while still producing the highest quality boards. We have assembled more than 40,000 unique designs in the last decade, and we're always ready for the next challenge. Advanced Assembly is based in beautiful Colorado. Advanced Assembly is unique to the PCB industry because we have a full team for every department working every aspect of the process, from sourcing and purchasing to customer support and quoting, from sales to marketing. Our circuit board manufacturing and assembly services use cutting-edge technology to save our customers time and money, taking the fear and headache out of PCB assembly. Learn more or reach out to our team for a quote. Visit aapcb.com.